Hey y'all, it's Matt Harper with the 212 Degree Team with Keller Williams, and coming in today with a quick market update. What's happening in the real estate market here in the Denver metro areas? So, a couple of highlights that we have for you. We had about 5,100 homes active on the market now total. It's a bump in what was active from the month before. About a 10% bump for attached, so your condos and townhomes. About 13% for detached. So the increase in inventory, potentially good news. Downside to that is we put 5,600 homes under contract here this last month. So while there's more inventory coming up, there's still a lot of demand in the inventory. So we're still seeing that decrease. In fact, we set new record levels for the average price for detached single-family homes and attached properties, again, the condos and townhomes. So your detached now is about 481. Your average now attached is at 315. So again, new records for both of those. What we're seeing as far as, again, homes that are going under contract in less than 7 days, 61% for detached and 67% for your attached single family. So basically, if it's coming onto the market now, it's going under contract most often in a week or less. But again, not every property is going under contract that fast. So with that, we're seeing it 69% of those homes that are being sold every month are going for at or over their asking price. So think about that when it comes to looking for a discount, looking for a deal. Sometimes the good deal is just getting the home. So, if you're looking for the foreclosure market, what's happening with distressed sales, one of the graphs that I'll include here on this video, you'll get a chance to take a look at. Still, a majority of those homes, as far or as few as they are, majority of those, as you'll see from the graphs, are still going at or over their asking price. And again, it's such a small percentage of the distressed sales, because we've seen such a rapid increase in the values. So people that were in a situation where they were struggling to pay their mortgage, potentially looking at a short, they can sell their home and not be in that short sale situation, actually get money back at closing even if they were behind. One last thing that I want to touch on this video is a little bit for the seasonality for what we're experiencing in the Denver metro area. So right now, as we've been seeing the prices increase at a real rapid rate because of market compression, and a lot more homes going under contract than are coming back on, buyer pool is very heavy. Right now, starting in June, we're going to start to see that taper off a little bit. Flatten out, where we're going to see more homes coming on the market, and the buyer pool kind of stays a little bit steady. So with that, the values actually start to flatten out. And as we head into the later summer months, we're actually going to see it decrease just a little bit. So you'll be seeing potentially some more price reductions. So don't be scared that it's a bubble. This again is seasonality here in Denver Metro. We can track it every year and see what's happening there. With that, with the seasonality, I also want to touch on what happens here in Colorado, specifically in the Denver Metro area, when we get holiday weekends. When we get the 3-day holiday weekends, there's a measurable decrease in the number of properties that went under contract. So if you're a seller, keep that in mind for potentially going on a week earlier than expected. Those 3-day holiday weekends that come up, don't expect that you'll get more traffic. Colorado lifestyle, we like to be outdoors and get out of the office, so that's what buyers typically do. Now, if you're a buyer and you don't care about going camping on Memorial Day weekend, there's a significant reduction in the number of properties that go under contract, about 55%. So if you don't care about going camping, you may be the only player in the game looking at that new house that just came on the market. So, don't lose hope. There's still opportunity there. Cool. That's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you tuning in, and we'll catch up with you guys again next week. How bad is that?